Engines rumble as the two cars roll up to the line. Spectators surround the makeshift strip, holding phones, placing bets. The cold night is pierced by revs and headlight glare. Aiko glances over, calm behind the wheel. Jake smirks, tapping the throttle. The Demon roars like it's hungry for asphalt. A girl in a leather jacket steps forward, scarf in hand. She raises it high. 3, 2, 1. Scarf drops. The Demon launches with a thunderous growl, rear tires smoking, front barely holding the ground. The GT-R responds like a predator, traction perfect, launch control flawless. It surges ahead early. Midway, Jake slams the next gear with a grunt. The Demon claws back ground, brute power pushing it ahead by a nose. Aiko doesn't flinch. She downshifts manually, turbo scream rising like a banshee. Final 100 meters, side by side. Crowd roars, time slows, the Demon's supercharger howls, the GT-R's turbos hiss. At the last instant, Aiko hits the overboost. Her GT-R surges forward. Finish line. A blur of metal and heat,